strength of a real hero. The legacy of trust: 25 years of excellence, commitment, and trust in transforming Indian agriculture. Sri Murugan Tractors, situated at Trichy Dindigul Highway, with Newholland agriculture machines. Newholland Agriculture is celebrating its 125th anniversary this year. We have a long and rich heritage of manufacturing tractors that are built to meet the highest quality standards. Our tractors have stood the test of time and have earned the trust and respect of millions of farmers. Sri Murugan Tractors.